Whoa. Close one.
Kitty.
Yeah, that's a skid steer.
Kitty.
Yeah.
Kitty.
Oh, where is the kitty?
Kitty. Kitty.
Oh, yeah?
Kitty.
He never came down here.
Kitty.
Yeah, the kitty's just playing outside. Here, let's put your joystick down so you can operate. There you go. Okay, sir, can you do some bobcatting for me? I need you to clear some land. Yeah, can you clear some land for me? Oh, oh, you can't? Okay. Maybe next time. Yeah, maybe next time. Oh, you're a good joysticker. Keep up the great work, sir. You need some help? You got it? Here, you want to hold my hand? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Good one. Phew. Whew.